Thank you. Hey, that's a first demo. Yes, ma'am. Really, that's awesome. And it's got great bandwidth, so it probably plays like 28 hertz, something like that. Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. See real quick. Sorry. Do you know what this box is tuned to? I'll ask him. Carolina Squad. What? All right.
You got FIQ, 3 yellow tops, Scar RP 2000, 2 of them.
2 of them.
And a block point for the highs.
What's this tuned to?
I have on me. They doing one.
All right. Yeah, I'd love to hear it. You ever give demos?
No. It's my fault.
It should be fun.
Yeah.
I've never, oh shit, don't record this part.
It's all right. Don't be nervous.
Don't worry about it.
So what's your name?
Sharika Turner.
Sharika Turner, okay. And this is your 2.5 Q12s?
It is.
And a Trump build on 2 Scar 2Ks.
It is.
And they're at 1 Old Meach.
Say what?
On a Pioneer single DIN head unit. You got a 9-band graphic equalizer and a CT Sounds bass knob. Nice. 2 yellow tops in the back. Okay, sorry. All right.
What? I don't know your song on here.
I do.
This one here?
This one right here? And it's got great bandwidth, so it probably plays like 28 hertz up to like 50 hertz. Clean.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
This is my little toy.
Okay, I understand. Yes, ma'am.
Y'all have a good one.
You too. Nice to meet you again.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.